Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and I am here to take you on a journey and discover the beauty of Portugal. If you have never been to Prai do Val in the Algarve before, get ready to be amazed. This amazing Portuguese destination has so much to offer, and I am sure you are going to love it. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like button and leave your comments down below so I know you are enjoying the video. We will start our tour from the Roca Tower near Prai do Val Beach. Originally built in the 17th century, it is a famous tourist spot and it's definitely a must-see. From here, you can get the best views of the ocean, the unforgettable landscape, and even the neighboring towns. As you explore the area, make sure you take in the beautiful shades of blue and green of the surrounding waters. Continue your adventure and you will find a few slope gardens within the area. These gardens are a combination of nature and art, so they are well worth the visit. Let yourself be impressed by the wonderful paths and the flowering shrubs, surrounded by the delightful scent of the trees and nature. Afterwards, head to the beach. Praia do Val is the most famous of the breathtaking Portuguese beaches. Caressed by the Mediterranean Sea, the flawless golden sand is waiting for you. Take a splash in the refreshing and calm waters, lie on the sand, and enjoy the magnificent sunset. Make sure you capture the unique colors of the sky. Last but not least, nearby Praia do Val is the village of Faragudo. Here you will find a charming selection of different restaurants, cafes, and small stores. Enjoy a stroll here and be captivated by the rustic old streets and the fishermen's houses. So if I managed to make you want to visit this unbelievably beautiful destination, share it with others and hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!